know, if you are watching this video, you love water and aqua workouts. But do you really have an hour each day for that? Sometimes I don't. So for those who want to lose extra pounds quickly, get amazing weight loss results, and are not afraid of challenge, I've created this list of the most effective fat burn deep water exercises. Ooh, by the way, the purpose of this video is to give you lots of great ideas for your next workouts. But if you also want to see how I've put together all of these moves into one 35-minute express workout and learn how each of those exercises should be done correctly, make sure you check my new platform and enjoy On Demand Aqua Workouts with me as your virtual aqua instructor. Anytime and anywhere, my friends. Let's go! Woo! If you would like to support the existence of this channel and qualify for amazing discounts for on-demand aqua workouts that current Patreons are already enjoying, join the team. More info and links in the description. Today I have 31 amazing fat burn exercises. Number 1, floating scissors, where we are holding a noodle and yes, floating on a deep end of the pool. Arms extended forward, palms down, core engaged, and great range of motion will give you the best results. Number 2, we're still floating, this time cross-country skiing with a noodle, and noodle is in a vertical position. Submerge under the water or not. Same rule, great range of motion, my friends. Make sure you perform this exercise in a really dynamic way. Number 3, and here we're gonna have two versions, symmetrical and asymmetrical. Check how it's done. We are sitting on a noodle, but hey, we're not resting here at all. Hello, inner thighs and out thighs. Ooh la la. Number 4, back to vertical position, floating on the deeper end of the pool. This time we're kicking out to the sides, outside kicks. I'm not even holding a noodle. I'm moving super fast, and guys, this is really challenging. Give it a try. Navies are practicing this exercise and they have to maintain this position for 2 hours. In my workout, we're only gonna hold it for 2 minutes, but guess what? You will be exhausted as well. Have fun with it. Number 5, it's pretty much the same exercise, just not we are holding a noodle with both hands. Don't go easy on yourself. You can let one arm go and try number 6. Or number 7, where eventually you're gonna sit on a noodle and do exactly the same. Don't relax too much, friends. We are burning fat. Go fast. Number 8, seated position, still in a house. This time we are kicking and crunching. Love this one. Such a good one for deep core muscles. Once you find this version easy, you're ready for number 9. Do exactly the same. This time, you're holding noodle in one hand only. Baby steps toward the challenge, my friends. And obviously you want to do exactly the same on your other side. Number 10, still floating, still vertical position. Let's not use noodle at all. Let's deal with the resistance. Number 11, aqua jacks with a noodle. Let's keep on going, squeezing it in and out. Much harder than the version where we were seated, yes? Oh yes. Well done. Number 12, aqua jacks. This time we are floating and we are using the free hand in any possible way to make those jacks looking like jacks. Number 13, one arm support on the noodle, and in little screen you see the other version too, and sideways scissors are going on. Make sure you are not bending your knees here. Number 14, floating scissors again. Just this time we're adding even more challenge because we're gonna pull that noodle down. Hello, six pack. Hey guys, if you need any help putting all these moves together, make sure you check my on-demand aqua workouts. I'll teach you how to combine all of those together and how to do those moves correctly. Hi friends! This super challenging, quick and intense deep aqua workout is better than good for burning fat and weight loss. It is actually great, reserved for intermediate and advanced students only. If you have an option to float and sweat at a deep water level of your pool and you dare to try it, let's begin! Alright, and back to our list. Number 15, cross-country skiing. We're gonna move on to the seated position with a noodle, which again may seem a little bit easier if we make it easier, but if you guys gonna really focus on doing your best and really dragging those hands back, you're gonna feel the challenge. Oh yeah. You can move around, you can turn around, have fun with this one. Yeah, don't forget to take water breaks between. Number 16, frog jumps with a noodle push down. And with this version where we don't touch the bottom of the pool, we're also gonna kick out a tiny bit just so we can maintain that vertical position. Make sure you exhale when you push that noodle down. There's gonna be another version of this particular exercise in a moment, even more challenging, but make sure you try this one, you get comfortable, and only then move on to number 17. This time we are pulling noodle down and toward ourselves. I'm telling you, six pack will happen today. Oh yeah, remember this one. Number 17 will be to blame. Blame if you are sore tomorrow. That's a good sore though. We like it. Number 18, cross-country skiing again. Yes, friends, again. This time we are tucking knees up. Love this one. Are you still with me? Do you want to learn some new moves? Oh yeah, I got way more to show you. Number 21, I'm going to show you different run variations. Firstly, we have noodle in a vertical position and both arms are supported on it. Then you're going to move that noodle to the horizontal position and your free hand is helping you to run even faster. By the way, there's another video on my challenge when I show you, oh boy, I guess like 20 something versions of water run. But this one, these here are best for deep water run. Again, arms extended forward, horizontal position. Keep running, we're burning calories. Seated run, yeah, It may seem easier, but again, it's up to you. If you're gonna fake it, you're not gonna make it. I mean, you'll make it, but you're not gonna burn that much calories. If you're gonna do your best, it's gonna happen. Number 22 is horizontal run around the noodle. This one is crazy. I love it. Make sure you do it around one way and then reverse. By the way, there's another video in my playlist where I show you like 25 versions for run. Okay, back to this list. Number 23, we are pumping, and this is single leg pump. To do it right, make sure you find that sweet spot exactly in the middle of that noodle. We're not touching the bottom of the pool, so it's really challenging, and you are only ready to add other variations that you see me showing you right now once you master that basic version. Control your breath and maintain excellent form. Number 24 is pump with both feet on the noodle. It's like surfing. It's like surfing in the water, not on the water. So would you agree that it's even more fun? Explore the pool, move forward, around. Number 25, floating staircase holding a noodle. This one is really cool, and we also have 3 options. I would say from all 3, this would be the easier one because you got that support. Great one for posterior muscles, so everything what's on the back of our body. This is your other option. You're holding noodle on your side with one hand only. Very important that we are maintaining great form and good technique for this exercise and for all the exercise. Number 27, you are not holding anything. More challenge without equipment. Yep, talking about deep water workouts, definitely without equipment, it's even more challenging. We're moving on. Oh yes, finally floating on the back. But don't relax, don't you dare. We're gonna open those legs. We're gonna close it, and then we're gonna curl knees in the most dynamic way we can. Because you know what's the goal. Then floating diamond. Such a good one for core. Again. Move those arms along, turn around, move front, move back, burn those calories. No one will do it for you. Okay, number 30, kicks. And guys, these kicks are insane, super dynamic, very powerful. This is one of the exercises where you will be splashing the water. On the surface, you're gonna see like a fountain, and you wanna maintain it long enough to feel the power of this move. When I'm putting those moves together, I like to go for 1 to 3 minutes. Number 31, floating on a noodle dips. This particular exercise I like to break down. If you guys check, and please do check my on-demand aqua workouts. Over there, I'll teach you how to do this one correctly, how to progress, and how to add all the other variations to make it even more tricky and better, super effective. Yeah, try those for free, see if this is a good fit, and then you'll decide. But I really hope I'll see you there. The list is completed. If you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments which one was your favorite one, and if you would like to see another video just like this one. Always remember to finish your aqua with cool down and stretch. Well done, my friends. If you did the entire list of exercises, let me know in the comments as well. Bye for now.